Welcome to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. Today we're in the jenn-air kitchen. I'm joined by the doctors. I've got Dr. Solomon, pediatrician, and Dr. Ambrose, naturopath, and some other things. So we know what we're making today is going to be healthy, good for us. Tell us what we're doing.
We are making salad rolls, and this is a great dinner time snack.
Okay, so we start by having some rice paper and getting it a little bit damp.
Just damp it just briefly.
Just a tiny bit.
And then put it on a plate. The first layer I usually put is lettuce, and I try not to overfill it.
This is a good way to get all your greens in for the day.
Yeah, it's great, and my kids love it, and they eat them, like they'll make a whole bunch themselves.
And it's a good appetizer too.
It's wonderful, yeah. And these are broccoli sprouts that I made, and they give it a little tang. And then I add a layer of mint and a layer of
basil.
Stems off of basil, and then.
Do you want some carrots in there?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They make it look pretty.
I'm gonna help.
Right. I put the shrimp on the very edge. Okay, and then we fold in the ends, and then we're supposed to put in the chives. I think it's gonna do it. Oh my gosh.
We almost got it.
That one little spot there.
We're
and we cut it in half and dip it in peanut sauce. And it's so good.
Yeah, and we have some peanut sauce that we've cooked on the jenn-air stovetop. The peanut sauce will give it some added flavor.
Yeah.
And really, as they said, we can put anything in there we want. So we've got our wraps. We're gonna take this outside and let someone try it, and we'll be right back. Would you like to try a lettuce wrap we just made?
I guess.
All right, let us know what you think. We just made them here at Riegelmann's.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, take a taste and let us know.
I think it's great.
Dr. Solomon says it's nutritious and delicious. You can find the recipes at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Thank you for joining us today. We're in the jenn-air kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and all of us will see you next time.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.